ventilating machine. Built-in air compressor, only need to plug the power line. The position is perfect fit between up mode and low mode. No need to adjust the position again. Let's show you the switch. These two are start button. This is heating switch, temperature control, emergency stop button, press time, power switch, manual automatic shifter switch. Let's show you the operating steps. Plug the power cord, open the power switch, rotating the stopwatch, open the heating switch, set the temperature to 116 degrees. Set the time to 8 seconds. The speed of pressing and rising is adjusted by 2 regulators. Now use iPhone 4 to test first. This is iPhone 4 assembler. This is iPhone 4 front with hot glue. Install the front on the screen. Put it to corresponding modes. Put the flat cable towards the lower mode gap. This gap aligning basically to gap. Push into the base plate. When the temperature reaches, press the start button. The up mode press down. After 8 seconds, it will ascend automatically. After finished, take out the screen. See, it's very perfect. The front is very tight. Now I'll show you iPhone 5. iPhone 5 mode. Back with gap to get the gap. Press the button. Turn it to automatic to press down. Push into the base plate. When base plate touches the sensor, the up mode will press down automatically. After 8 seconds, it will ascend automatically. This is iPhone 6 Plus down mode. The same operation like iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. After 8 seconds, it will ascend automatically also. Now we will show you iPhone 6 low mode. iPhone 6 is different than iPhone 4, 5, 6 Plus. It needs to change up mode also. Now we will show you how to change it. Use one screw, fix it. This is the front with hot glue for iPhone 6. Install the front on the screen. Put the front cable towards the low mode gap. Put it into the base plate. After installing up mode, waiting the temperature reached. Set the press time to 12 seconds. When the temperature reaches 115, take out the mood with string. Use hand press it. Make sure it's very tight again. The follow step is same like other steps. After 12 seconds, it will ascend automatically. Here, only need to remember the only difference is neither iPhone 6 need to change up mood, and the press time need 12 seconds. See? The glue built in front fully melt. The front fills the screen perfectly.